There were two segments to the market. Restaurants serve food that they have cooked and they served it to you, or retailers provided food for you to cook at home. Two distinct elements. The space between those two extremes is now filled by a whole variety of different options. Meal kits that deliver food to you according to a subscription model. You go into a restaurant and take the food away. Go into a supermarket and you buy a ready meal. A whole range of different options that mean that the space between the two extremes is now much more complicated. But the lesson here is that no particular element in this space competes in its own area. It's competing with all the other parts that go and make up this zone between restaurants and supermarkets. Restaurants are finding that they're not just competing with other restaurants.